throw in some more tips here again. Video 16, how to size your positions, what sort of leverage you should be trading at, how to place your stops, and how to add to winning or losing trades. Now this last part, adding to trades, again, I've never talked about it. I've alluded to it in some of my webinars. I've never taught how to add to a losing trade, how to add to a winning trade, both of them without adding extra risk, but adding extra potential for your trades. Very important, but I'll be talking about position sizing and leverage and stops just briefly to make sure that everyone's up to speed, and even my long-time members need to go through that one more time. And then again, a weekly Q&A webinar with myself personally, and end of week 4, again, you'll be able to ask any questions on my tips and tricks, the mistakes, the fear of trading, leveraging, etc., adding to positions. Be able to ask me anything else you want to know about those for a full hour, which will be recorded as well for those who can't be there. Let's go on to week 5. Video 17 talks about M&Ms, that's those little chocolate things that you eat. And I've been through this, I think, about a year and a half ago, but I'm just going to touch on it. But I want to talk about drawdowns and how to handle them. A lot of folks will find that when they've had a couple of losing trades in a row, they start to wonder about the system, about their trading, about what they've done wrong, and start to get all kinds of confusion, and perhaps even look to changing their trading system. I'm going to talk to you about drawdowns, what's normal, what's not, how much you should expect to draw down, how much drawdown should you endure before you really do start to panic, but how much is normal, because drawdowns are normal, trust me, and how to handle those. Now here we come in week 5 to some of the massive bonuses that I haven't talked about before. So in week 5 I'm going to be talking about these M&Ms and drawdowns, but 18 and 19, let's have a look. Well, first of all, I'm going to be doing 2 solid videos, and here it comes, ta-da-da-da, on the T24 end of day system. People have been begging me to make a video on T24. I have several hundred subscribers to my T24 daily alerts, and I've never revealed how this works except for in one webinar. I went through it very quickly in about half an hour in very little detail, and that video actually became corrupt and I took it off the server eventually, so not very many people got to see it. And I'm going to be doing 2 full videos on the T24 end of day trading system. As I said, I had never planned to release the system to anyone, and I wasn't planning to include it in this course, but I have so much interest in T24 because it's a set and forget system. It takes you 5 minutes a day, once a day, and it hasn't failed yet in producing the profits on a monthly basis. So I'm going to be revealing this complete system as a bonus, and on top of that, in video 20, for those of you who enjoy 4-hour chart trading, I'm going to be doing a complete video on my 4-hour chart trading system. I've traded off 4-hour charts many times in the past. I've got a fantastic 4-hour chart trading system, and I'm going to be revealing the whole thing to you. Lock, stock and barrel, nothing held back, on T24 and my 4-hour chart trading system. And at the end of that week, I'm sure there'll be an enormous number of questions and answers questions asked, answers required on all of this stuff, on the massive bonuses, 4-hour and the T24 day trading strategy. And then week 6, we're almost at the end, and you can see this is just this is probably the most complete Forex trading course which has ever been produced, to my mind. And I know I'm biased, but I really mean that. This course will set you up for life to trade the Forex industry, to make profits, to become a full-time Forex trader, and if you are already, a much more profitable full-time Forex trader. Week 6, video 21, trading in the Asian session, how to handle trading in weird countries. So if you're not in the normal European and early New York time zone, how do you trade? How do you handle it? What sort of things should you be doing differently? Do you have to wake up in the middle of the night and trade, or can you trade during the Asian session? All sorts of questions come out about that. I'm going to put them all to bed. And also, really in the same video, trading when you have a full-time job. How do you achieve success? And lots of people email me about this and they say, man, you know, I've got a full-time job. I can't be there all the time. I really want to be successful at this, but how do I go about it? I'll tell you exactly how in week 6, video 21. In video 22, I'm going to send you, I'm going to talk about how to set up a daily trading plan, and I'm going to send you a daily trading plan spreadsheet, which it's a plug and play. All you've got to do is put your information in there, and it'll generate your daily trading plan and strategy for you straight away. Video 23, I'm going to be talking about managing your targets. How often should you be setting a target? How much should you be aiming for on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis? What is achievable? What's not achievable? What's realistic? When should you start trading and stop trading? All of these questions people ask me. I'm going to address all that in detail. Video 24, and this is really, really important. I'm going to be talking about measuring your success, what you should be measuring. What should the measures be that measure your success or your likelihood of succeeding in the future? I'll be sending you a spreadsheet with all of the measures that you should be putting in place. Automatically generated. All you've got to do is punch in some of your numbers and all the results will come up straight away and tell you how you're doing, whether you're likely to succeed currently, and what the dangers might be in the future that you need to look out for, which your weaknesses and your strengths will produce. Really important. You get again a plug and play spreadsheet. You just put some of your numbers in and it will tell you whether you're likely to succeed or not and what you're doing wrong. And then again a weekly Q&A webinar, an hour long at the end of week 6, so you can spend with me personally asking as many questions and picking my brain as much as you want. And then week 7, this is the final week, and there are 2 videos in here. Video 23, I must include this. I'm so excited about compound growth, but not everyone really understands it. So I'm just going to be throwing this in as another bonus. The secret to compound growth, how to really apply it, and I'll be talking about my $50,000 challenge, where it is at the moment, and how it looks, and how compounding has helped it go from, at the date of this course being released, and of course that'll change and increase dramatically in the future, but at the date of this course being released, starting from $1,800 and now currently around about $10,000. That's a 500% increase. I'm going to be talking about compounding and how you can achieve that, and how that's going to go to 50,000, 100,000 and more. And then video 24, a balanced trader's lifestyle. You know, a lot of people get unbalanced. What should you be doing as a trader? For a lot of people, it's a new step. It's an enigma. A lot of people leave their jobs and become traders, and they're really lost. They don't know what to do. What does a trader's lifestyle entail? And I'll be rounding off the course with that. And then finally, the week 7 Q&A webinar. So really exciting course, and you can see that there's nothing left out here. There's something for everyone. And there is so much stuff I've never talked about, and you can just really rewind this video and go through it again. But as I said, I'm so proud of this course. I'm so excited about it, and if you don't manage to have a dramatic and powerful impact on your Forex trading after being through this course, then I'd be really, really surprised. So, as I said, the course is now open. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can sign up straight away. There are 200 copies available. If you're watching this and you're on the early bird list, by the time it opens up to everyone the next day, that would be tomorrow, it could well be sold out already by then. So make sure that you've been through all of this, that you understand it, that you make an informed decision, and if you feel that this is for you, then sign up on the right hand side of the screen straight away and make sure you get your copy. There are a couple of payment options, and there's an easy pay option, and there's the normal price. I've tried to make it easy for everyone, and I really look forward to seeing you on the inside. We get going straight away, and this really is my most powerful, amazing, incredible Forex video course. It's Forex 360, folks. I'll see you on the inside.